Woo. Sweet baby Jesus. Woo. I can't even fake the funk. It's hot. It's withery out here. I'm hot. It's just wet. I can't describe it, but Texas got a weird hot vibe going on. See, in Louisiana, it's like a, I don't know. It's just hot and sticky out this motherfucker. So forgive me if I look withered. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop something on you. It really helps out the channel if you do subscribe. My name is Mo. They call me Big Mo, and I'm currently on a 100-pound down challenge. And hey, man, I would say it's going good right now. You know what I'm saying? I have no complaints. Has it been easy? Hell no. But we gonna stick with it. Hell yeah. This being week 15, I feel like it's going great. I'm losing a good amount of weight every week. I'm dropping. I've been consistently eating correct. I have my cheat days on the weekend sometimes when I give in. I did a video kind of similar to this, sitting in this same chair. I may do a side-by-side if I can find that video for y'all. A friend, and he was like, hey, take a full body picture. I took a full body picture, and that full body picture was, I was the same shape, same size to me. So he was like, do a headshot. I was feeling discouraged, but I still did the headshot. The headshot, I see day and night, man. I'm gonna put it up so y'all can see it real quick. So tell me what y'all think, you know. I thought it was like, I saw a difference. It felt like I got a neck a little bit, you know. And that was like I always had this double chin. I had this double chin since I was a baby. But the double chin it ain't double chinning as much. It's still double chinning, but it ain't double chinning as much. And I'm thankful for that. You know what I'm saying? I am going to give y'all an update and step on the scale. I guess I could do that for y'all too when I get to the crib. I step on the scale, all right? I was almost 400 pounds if you didn't know. Tipping at 400 pounds, 391 pounds. I did step on the scale earlier today, but I've ate some food and stuff since then. And I was 349, so maybe my scale weight may be 350, maybe 51-ish or something like that. But today, I want to talk about 10 things I've learned about myself or noticed in myself since I lost 40 plus pounds. Let's get into it. Number one, all right? So I've noticed increased energy levels. Like my energy levels are so much better. Like before, when I was close to 400 pounds, man, I felt like I was dying. I mean, it was like a feeling of just being stuffed, just being round, just being bloated all the damn time. You know what I'm saying? So I have had increased in energy levels. When I get up in the morning, I'm more excited to get up. If something needs to be done, I find energy to do that and still live my life. So that's been great. Number two, we're gonna say stronger mental discipline. I don't have to have a cake or a piece of that cookie just because you offering it to me. I don't have to eat that cookie. That's how I'm feeling, and you know what I'm saying? That's the kind of mind and mental state that I'm in right now. I don't need to say yes to everything that's on a plate or everything somebody offered me. I don't need to say yes all the time, you know. Number three, more confidence in the mirror. Yeah, all I've been talking about, even though I haven't achieved it yet, I haven't achieved buying the clothes that typically everybody can fit. It ain't even got to be designer, just clothes that everybody can fit. I haven't achieved that yet, but oh, when I do, your girl gonna be swagged out. You hear me? I'm gonna be feeling like I used to feel, looking like I used to look, and just dressing how you want to dress. Like, it's some things that I have never dressed in because I've become more mature over the years. And it's some slacks, you know what I'm saying? Some shoes, some kind of pencil stuff going on. I don't know, the vest and shit. I don't know because I never went shopping like that. But it's time to, I'm working on my 40s, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like there's room and opportunity to grow within your clothing too. So I'm really looking forward to that. So my confidence in the mirror has went up. When I get ready for the morning, boom, 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 I put on some stuff that matches from head to toe sometimes, and it be easy, bro. So I'm looking forward to that. Number 4, easier mobility and movement. Like when I'm walking and when I'm doing my thing, exercising, or even when I'm just getting in and out the car. The other day when I was at work, we was talking and I was showing one of my coworkers how he drives, because he drives with his leg up here. But I was able to do this. At almost near 400 pounds, I wasn't able just to do this. I'm not talking about to flip the leg all the way down. Now, that's a whole nother level. It's coming. But I was able to do this. And I was like, God damn, you know what I'm saying? I feel skinty. I couldn't wait till they called the morning meeting so everybody could see my leg like this. You know what I'm saying? I made it known. Like, sometimes you have to toot your own damn horn, you know, when you ain't tooted your horn before. You got to know how your horn sound. You know what I'm saying? Toot that goddamn horn. That's how I feel. Number 5, better sleep quality. I cannot stress this enough. When I've learned that sleeping, you lose weight through sweating and sleeping and breathing, catch me in the bed. You hear me? Catch me in the bed early. Yeah, I'm not finna be up all night working extra hard talking about sleep when you're dead. No, catch me in that bed early, motherfucker. Call me old, but it's helping me lose a little weight. You hear me? An extra hour of sleep, an extra hour of breathing, not doing nothing, and losing calories. I'll take that. Being that said, I feel less bloated. Even though I may look bloated because I got a lot of belly fat that ain't went away or went nowhere, to me internally, I feel bloated. And I know that's a sign of something, because even on the scale, when you weigh on the scale, and then one day I may be 4 pounds down, then the next day I'm 6 pounds up, and I'm like, what the hell happened? And then it keeps straggling until it jumps all those numbers, and then I hit a whole new number, and I be like, what the hell? I hit a whole nother number out of the blue. And I know that you going like, just like the stock market, those little sticks, you going up and down, up and going down. But if you look out from a bigger scale, you're trending down. So, hey, man, I think that's going to be a good little, something to look forward to later, if you feel me. Number 7, clearer thinking and mood improvement. I talk to people in a different light now. I try to see other sides of the story. I'm still strong within... these bugs is tearing my ass up. I want y'all to know that. But I'm still strong in my opinion. I have enough mood improvement to not overbear the conversation with my own selfish opinions. So I'm still strong on the fact that I have my own opinions, but I just don't take over the conversations with my selfish opinionated thoughts. And I'm more accepting to trying to understand how people can see things through their way, but I still have my own opinions, and until somebody prove me wrong, my opinions are always facts. Big facts. Big facts, y'all clock that. Okay, number 8, smaller appetite. Ooh, I almost bust my ass. Smaller appetite or more food awareness. Of course. So when I'm making food, like today I wanted burgers. Me and my girl ate turkey burgers. I had wheat bread instead of getting McDonald's. She had brought me McDonald's yesterday. I ate one McDouble. I ordered 2 because that's what I usually order, Since I've been eating McDonald's, like being an adult, I ordered 2 McDoubles. It come with 2 fries. I get a drink and 2 apple pies. She brought me McDonald's yesterday for my cheat meal. I ate the McDouble. Didn't want the other McDouble. And I ate half of the fries. So when I ate half of the fries, I was full. Like, I didn't force myself to eat. And I know that was the bad thing to eat. I woke up wanting the other McDouble, but instead I made a turkey burger, and it was delicious. I had like cheese, some sandwich spread on it. Instead of mayo, which was 30 calories a teaspoon, I did sandwich spread that was 10 calories a teaspoon. Didn't even put it on both sides of the bread. I ate wheat bread. I did have cheese on it and some pickles and a whole damn onion. I mean, not onion, a whole tomato. And I cut the tomato in half, had half of it on the sandwich, and I ate the other half of tomato for the chips instead. So I didn't have chips, which usually I have chips or I have fries. So tomatoes on the side. So I am aware of the food that I'm eating. Yeah, it feels good to make better choices and be in control of those better choices. I like being in control. I'm starting to notice that of myself. Oh, another thing I've noticed, I'm not shying away from pictures anymore. Like, I just don't take a lot of pictures, but I used to be shy and shying away from the pictures, but I don't give a fuck. That's another thing at being comfortable in the skin that God gave you. Nobody can help the way they look. Nobody can help the way they walk, they talk. It's just, unless they're an impersonator, but you can help how much fat is in the body. That's something you can get a hold to, even if it's going to the doctor to see about it, even if it's doing it yourself the natural way. It's all preventable nowadays. So see about yourself and see if you could fix that change. All right, number 10, people are starting to notice. Like when I sent that picture to my coworker, he started to notice. Another one of my coworkers said that my face is clearing up. Yeah, they said my face is clearing up, and I was like, yeah. But I've noticed it too, and my mom noticed it. My family's starting to notice it. My girl is noticing it, and that means a lot to me that she noticing it. So even my brother, like I haven't seen my brother in months, and when I saw him, he I looked the same, right? So he saw me, but then kind of I saw him staring a little bit, and he was like, "You really looking different," And I was like, appreciate that, So it feel good that people starting to notice the changes, even though I haven't noticed the body changes. They have, So we gonna keep it a buck. And yeah, man, that's all I got. I appreciate y'all sticking with me. We gonna go get that weigh in real quick. Let's head to the house, man, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we back at the house. Take these shoes off and push them to the side. Excuse my laundry. I need to do laundry. But we're going to leave the light off so we can actually see the scale. Let me adjust the camera real quick. We about to do the damn thing, y'all. Let's do it. All right, like I said, this morning I was like 349. And then later on in the afternoon I seen 348. So I've ate since then. So I don't really know what it's going to be. But we're going to pray for the best. 350. So as you can see, I'm close to the 349 guaranteed every time I step on the scale, and that's what I want. So by the end of this week, which it is this week, the end of this week, oh well, it's the start of this week. It's week 15. So we just gonna say 350. Start of week 15. All right, let's get it.